Can you quickly identify what type of soil is this? Engineers use a standard system for this. Soil classification starts with the 75 micron sieve, which divides soil into coarse and fine. Then, coarse soils are further divided using the 4.75 mm sieve into gravel and sand. Soils are first classified based on the 75 micron sieve using a 50% rule. If more than 50% is retained, it is coarse grained soil. If more than 50% passes, it is fine grained soil. Soils with high organic contents are classified separately as organic soils. After identifying coarse grained soil, we separate it using the 4.75 mm sieve. If more than 50% of coarse fraction is retained on 4.75 mm IS sieve, gravel G. If more than 50% of coarse fraction is smaller than 4.75 mm IS sieve, sand S. Now comes grading of coarse soils. If soil has a mix of different size particles, it is called well graded W. If particles are mostly of the same size, it is poorly graded P. Now we combine everything. These are the group symbols for coarse soils: GW, GP, SW and SP. These are the criteria for classifying the soil as well-graded gravel and well-graded sand. But real soils are rarely clean. If more than 12% fines are present, gravel becomes GM or GC and sand becomes SM or SC. M represents silt and C represents clay. So far, we classified coarse soils. Now let's look at fine-grained soils. These are classified as silt or clay, M or C. Fine soils cannot be classified by size alone, so we use Atterberg limits. The plasticity index is the difference between liquid limit and plastic limit. We use the plasticity chart to classify fine soils. The equation for plasticity chart or A line is IP equal to 0.73 into WL minus 20. If the point lies above the A line, it is clay, Cl, Ci or Ch. If it lies below the A line, it is silt, Ml, Mi or Mh. LIH represents low, intermediate and high plasticity. Soils with organic content are classified separately. They are denoted as OL, OI and OH to show low, intermediate and high plasticity, and highly organic soils as peat. This table summarizes the entire Indian Standard Soil Classification System. Pause and review for quick revision.